Fiverr Pro Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be reviewing the Fiverr Pro Affiliate Program and sharing our experience. All relevant links are in the description below. Fiverr Pro is Fiverr's premium marketplace that connects businesses with top-tier, vetted freelancers, offering services in design, marketing, writing, programming, and more. The Fiverr Pro Affiliate Program is an excellent way for content creators, bloggers, and marketers to earn commissions by referring clients to high-quality services. The program is managed through Fiverr Affiliates, and what makes it stand out is the high commission structure. Affiliates can earn up to $150 per first-time buyer through Fiverr's CPA model, with earnings depending on the service category. Since Fiverr Pro services are premium and high value, the commission potential is even higher compared to standard Fiverr gigs. The cookie duration is 30 days, which means if a user clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase within that period, you earn a commission. Signing up for the Fiverr Pro Affiliate Program is simple. Once approved, you get access to marketing materials, tracking tools, and performance reports via the Fiverr Affiliates dashboard. You can promote Fiverr Pro services through blogs, YouTube videos, social media, or email campaigns. A key advantage of Fiverr Pro is that clients trust the vetted professionals, leading to higher conversion rates and better earnings per referral. However, one challenge is that Fiverr Pro services are higher priced, which may limit the audience to businesses and professionals rather than casual buyers. Also, Fiverr has different commission structures depending on the service type, so earnings can vary. That said, Fiverr Pro's prestige and credibility make it easier to attract serious buyers willing to invest in top-tier freelancers. Overall, the Fiverr Pro Affiliate Program is a fantastic opportunity for affiliates in the business, marketing, and freelance niches. With high commissions, a trusted marketplace, and premium services, it's a great way to monetize your audience. If you're ready to get started, check out the links in the description and start earning today.